Hello friends, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to show you the brand new mini release that Trinity Stamps has going on. This is the Sunny Side Up mini March stamp release. So it's just going to be some stamps this month, and it's a small release, but it is packed with some serious cuteness. So let's go ahead and jump into it. We have this first one. This is the Slimline Bunnies. It's a 4x11 stamp set. So not only do you have this one that will fit all on the slimline part of a card, but you also have lots of sentiments, and you have two cute little bunnies. So we've got one holding flowers, one holding a carrot. And I feel like this is a stamp set that could be used for pretty much anything because, you know, bunnies are awesome. Definitely spring, for sure Easter, but I think anytime, any time of year. So let's read the sentiments. We've got, when you need to talk, I'm all ears. I'm so happy for you. Hopping by to say hi. Some bunny loves you, and may your happiness multiply. Oh, that's super cute. All right, so that is that one. And I just think that is so stinking cute. So yes, definitely spring, Easter, but all around. And let me show you a card that I made. I actually made a mini slimline with this one. So I just stamped the big one all across this background using a light gray ink. And then I stamped my bunny and cut him out. And then I put some glossy accents on the carrot, but hopping by to say hi. And then I just put some of the leftover strip on the inside of the card. So there's that. All right, our next one is another 4x11 stamp set. This is called Slimline Chicks. And I love this one. This one is just too stinking cute because we have all these little chicks. And yes, again, I feel like it could be spring, it could be Easter, it could be any time of year. Because look at all these little chicks. They're doing all sorts of cute things. There's a bee. This one looks kind of worried and upset. We have one holding a teddy bear, one who's reading a book. She's got a little bow in her hair. Baby, we got some crying ones. Just awesome. So the sentiments for this one, and not only that, but you have two little chicks that are coming out of eggs, which that's adorable. You crack me up. Chick night, just hatched, feeling upside down. Chirp up, friend. Turn sunny side up, and you're my favorite chick. I love that. So I made a slimline with that one, stamped on yellow. And I do have a video for this one that was released today. So go back to my channel and check it out if you'd like to see how I did that. So I just went ahead and stamped it on some yellow cardstock. And there we go. Super fun. And I did put some glossy accents on a couple of the elements in this one as well. But I love that. That is a fun stamp set. All right, now we have some smaller ones. We have a 4x6, I believe this one is. Just trying to get my notes all correct. And this one is the Gnome Bunny. This one's so cute. Oh my gosh. So we've got our little gnome. And yeah, obviously Easter or spring, you could not, you know, it's got eggs in it, but you wouldn't have to necessarily use the eggs. But Gnome Bunny loves you like I do. You got some hearts. So these two are special because here are his little hands holding a chick. So you'd stamp that and you'd put it on top. Or he's holding an egg and you could stamp that and put that on top. And then we have like a flower. But it's really sweet. And the dies aren't available this month, but they will be next month. So if you get any of these and you want the dies, those will be available, I believe, next month. And I do have a card for this one. I did a slimline again. So here we have, I made an Easter one. Gnome Bunny loves you like I do. And then I do have him holding the egg. I didn't do anything on the inside, but there's that. Next we have, let's see, again, checking my notes to make sure that I don't call anything the wrong thing and I get it all correct. So this is I believe, a 4x4 stamp set. This one is called Spring in My Step. And how cute is that? It's this cute little gnome. He's stepping, he's holding some eggs. So this one is definitely a spring or Easter. And then we also have this little chick holding an egg, and you have butterflies and some flowers. So lots of fun little elements in that one. And again, I have a slimline card for this one just because I could not resist. And I have, you know, I colored the eggs and then used a Wink of Stella on top of that. But isn't that fun? Super fun. And then last but not least, I did this is a 3x4. This one's called All Cracked Up. I made a card yesterday, and that's on my channel, and it's also on the Trinity Stamps channel if you want to go check that out if you haven't seen it yet. But it's a little gnome coming out of an egg, and we also have the little chick, and it says, "Hey Chick," which that sentiment I can see using all the time. And then we also have Happy Easter. So here is the card I made for that one. How fun. I used a little action wobbler on him, and then even used some little fun Easter embellishments, but there's that. All right, so friends, that is the release for this little mini release that Trinity Stamps has going on. I'll have everything linked down below, so be sure to go and check it out if you're interested in any of these things. But yeah, fun little mini release. And so hop around, take a look at what people have done. There is an Instagram thing going on today. So, all right, I will see y'all soon. Have a great day. Bye.